If you've archived a Todoist project and now want to bring it back, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to unarchive a Todoist project in just a few clicks. This is really useful if you accidentally archived something, if you want to reopen an old project, or if you're bringing back a project for a new round of work. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Todoist and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left sidebar menu and click on Projects. This takes you to your project list, where you can manage all of your active and archive projects. Now, at the top right of the primary project list view, you'll see an option called Archived. Click that to open your archived projects. This is where Todoist stores any project that has been archived, so don't worry if it seems like it disappeared earlier. It's still there, just tucked away for later. Once your archived projects are visible, find the project you want to bring back. You can hover your mouse over the project name to reveal more options. When the three dots icon appears next to the project name, click it to open the project menu. From that menu, select Unarchive. As soon as you do that, Todoist will restore the project back to your active project list. That means it will no longer be hidden in the archive section, and you can start using it again right away. If you don't see the project immediately, take a quick look back in your main projects list. You should now see it restored and ready to go. It's a simple process, but knowing where the archive is can save you a lot of time when managing old tasks and unfinished work. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully unarchived a Todoist project. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Todoist tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.